Hello, these are the Air Force One mids, I believe, with the strap. And I want to do a little series about restoring these. These are about 5, 6, 7 years old. They got yellow on the bottom. It's all kind of nasty. The toe right here is splitting apart. So all I want to do is make a little series. I'm going to restore these. I got a couple pairs of these. You can see the bottoms are all yellow. These are pretty beat up. Inside's all dirty. I was going to do a series, try to restore these back to new. So if you have any tips on how to get this yellow off, comment below. Or if there's any way to get these wrinkles out, it'd be greatly appreciated. Here's some of my favorite shoes. They look good with anything jeans, shorts, especially in the summer. I like to get them back to as new as possible. You got a big black scuff mark right there. I was going to use these shoes to bum around in. So stay tuned. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try a couple different things to restore these. And I'll let you guys know it works. And if you have any ideas how to get these bad boys looking good, let me know. Alright.